Alright, here's a little video about my 2001 Rancher 350 ES electric shift. The dash was not very bright, but now you can actually read it, and I'll show you how I did it. The top piece here comes off, 3 screws, one on the bottom, one on each side. Pull it aside. There's 4 nuts, 10 mils. Take those out. And then you see these screws here. Mine has 8 because it's a 4x4. The 2-wheel drives will have 4 underneath a cap. So you take those screws out, take this gray cover off. And then there's 3 screws that hold the circuit board down to the panel. Take those 3 screws out, and then you'll be able to disconnect the connectors on the circuit board. Really easy, just pull on them. And then you gotta take the glass out. It's got polarizing film on it, and that's what makes it so you can see it. That's this stuff. I actually got it from Amazon. There's the part number. I got enough so I could do it probably 6 times. So definitely got extras. See how there's a line on it? You can kind of see which side the line is on. And when you peel that one layer off up here, the blue line comes off. That's the side that you stick down to the glass. This is part of the old sticker. This is the first piece that came off. This is the second piece that came off. You can see how sunburnt that is. And then this is the third piece with a bunch of glue underneath it that came off. I just used the Rain-X window cleaner and a razor blade to scrape it all off. All right, good luck.